Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about the Appliance Manual Notebook. I have been getting a lot of questions about what to do with all your appliance manuals and warranty cards and all the things that come along with appliances. And I've been doing this myself for years with clients, making an appliance manual notebook. I personally just redid my kitchen, and if you follow me, you've heard me talk about it. So I thought this would be a great time to show you how I make my own appliance manual notebook. You need three things. You need a notebook, and you need the sheet protectors and the dividers. All three of these I got from Avery. They are not paying me. I use these all the time, so I just only talk about what I love, and I do love all the Avery products. All you do is take each item, stick it in the clear sleeve, make sure you label what it is, stove, dishwasher, microwave, and keep everything in the notebook. And when you need this for some reason, whether the appliance doesn't work and you don't know who to call, or they want proof of purchase, a warranty card, whatever it is, you pull out your appliance notebook and you're ready to go. I also love to keep warranty cards after I've already registered them with a red check mark on it, so I know that I've registered the appliance. I also love these notebooks for recipes. My kids did this a really long time ago, and I've kept it forever, and I slide it in the front of this notebook, and I keep all the favorite recipes. Mom's banana split cake, which I should not be eating, but I love it, and her famous miniature cheesecakes. And I love keeping recipes that are worn and have spills on them in these sheet protectors, because it just brings back a lot of memories. If the recipe makes the cut, it goes in my notebook, and if not, it goes in the garbage can. So it's a really easy way to keep all your recipes and separate them by pasta, holidays, poultry, whatever you want to separate it. It's just a really easy way. And my kids are already fighting over who will get the famous recipe notebook. If you need more tips, go to neatlydesign.com.